Hey, I'm Alex Vorderman here at Vorderman Volkswagen. We're a Volkswagen dealer in Indiana, so we don't need to have front license plate brackets on or front license plates in Indiana, but we do sell a lot of cars to people in Chicago area, Illinois, and other states that do require it. So just helping those customers out by doing this video to show how. For the most part, even all the way back to, I remember the 2011 Jettas, Passats, Atlases, even the ones that go even back to about 2010, 2011 and newer, they're all about the same. The brackets are definitely different for the models, but the process is about the same. So I'm sitting in front of a 2024 Jetta here in our showroom. They all come with these front license plate brackets. They're in the trunk. The reason why they don't install them is because you have to drill holes in the front bumper. I'm not going to do it on this one because, well, I don't want to drill holes if we don't have to. But most all of them are going to have some little tabs on the back like this. This one has 2, and then this one has 4 holes here. So they're all, of course, going to be right in the center, and some of them are going to be up higher, some of them will be down lower, but you'll feel where it clicks into place. If it's up too high or off to the center, it's not going to feel like it's tight. So this is going to go right in the center. And there, I can't even slide it side to side. I can barely go up and down. So that is how you know exactly where it's supposed to be. In the trunk as well are going to be these little nut certs, push pins, whatever you want to call them. They're just little plastic, nut certs. So you'll drill holes here, 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 and here into the bumper. I recommend either marking it with a marker or tapping it with a drill bit so you can see the spot. Or if you tape this on, then it'll stay still and in place, but you don't want to be fumbling around with it while you're trying to drill a straight hole. So on this, most of them you're going to be able to use. I mean, most people don't have a bunch of drill bits like this, but a 5/16 drill bit is usually good. 19/64 is probably a little bit better, but most people don't have those. You just don't want to go too big. If you're not sure, always go with a smaller drill bit, and then you can make it bigger. You obviously can't make these holes smaller though once you drill them. So if you line it up, just make sure that it's about the same width. Basically, you just once you have the holes marked, there it is, and just tap it with the drill bit there, 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 and there. So the tip of your drill bit makes a little indent. Take your drill, make the holes. You obviously don't want to go too far deep if you don't have to. Just be careful, nice and easy. Obviously it's not going to hurt what's right behind there, but you still don't want to go too hard if you don't have to. Once the holes are filled, line that up. You'll put these in through the holes, and when you see these, you'll put up, it'll be like this, obviously, in the bumper. And what happens when you push that pin down, it expands these little teeth at the bottom, which then hold it in place in the bumper. And once you have all 4 in there, put your license plate on here, and then you can use some short screws in these, really short ones, so that it doesn't go through. Obviously we don't want to drill extra holes into the bumper, so just be mindful of that. But that's how you install a front license plate bracket on a Volkswagen. Thank you.